Good day to all. My name is India.
My name is Vitali Mahesh.
We are from Sriramana Vidyalaya Elementary Higher Secondary School, Radhapalayam.
Our innovation project title is pyrotechnics explosion prevention system. Problem statement. In regions like Sohasi, India face high risk of accidental fire due to handling processing by highly flammable chemicals. These fires can result in damage, injuries, and even loss of life. Traditional fire safety measures in these facilities often rely on human intervention, which can be slow, inefficient, and sometimes ineffective in preventing the rapid spread of fire. There is an urgent need for an automated real-time system that can detect fire at their onset and immediately suppress them to prevent catastrophic consequences.
The proposed solution. The firecracker alert and prevention system provide an automated real-time solution for fire detection and suppression in firecracker manufacturing units and shop. The system is built around a microcontroller integrated with a flame sensor, servo motor, buzzer, and CO2 fire extinguisher. It continuously monitors the environment for signs of fire using the flame sensor fitting in ball. Upon detecting a fire, the system activates the buzzer to alert workers and triggers the servo motor to automatically release the fire extinguisher CO2 gas, reducing oxygen level in air, quickly extinguishing the fire as it is source. This automated response minimizes human intervention, reduce time and enhance fire prevention, ensuring the safety of both workers and the facilities. Our working principle: when the flame sensor detect the flame, at the same time the servo go to 90 degree, and we can fix the new in the normal execution. We can manually operate. By this time we can fix the cap on the tin. So we can the servo 90 degree turn and give a force to the cap, and the same time the CO2 release from this cap. So these two tanks are fixed in 10 to 10 square room. At the same time, go call to the
Fire station to alert them fire is explosive.